The top 5 things to consider when planning your next vacation, and still stay safe. Why traveling safely is really important. Travelers are always looking for ways to make their journeys safe and comfortable. You may be wondering how to travel safely, but the answer is not as complicated as you think. The following tips will help you stay safe while traveling, so read on and enjoy the journey. Consider your destination's climate. The climate of a destination is a factor in the decision-making process for many travelers. The climate can affect the activities that are available and the clothing that is needed. A destination with extreme climates will have different needs than one with mild climates. For example, in the winter, people in places like Dubai will need to wear heavy coats and hats because of the weather. In Colorado, people would be more likely to wear cotton clothes or shorts without a jacket. Prepare for emergencies and disasters with emergency plans and supplies. Emergency preparedness is a set of actions to be taken before, during, and after disasters. This includes all these. Having an emergency plan in place. Having emergency supplies on hand. Knowing evacuation routes. Storing important documents in a safe place. Developing a family communications plan. Spend time and money on a good plan before you go, to make sure that the trip is as affordable as possible and that you've planned for any unforeseen expenditures. The more time and money you spend on a good plan before you go, the more affordable your trip will be. You can find out how much it costs to get from one place to another by checking online or with an app. You can also find out how much things cost at your destination by looking up prices and currency conversions. If you know where you want to go, you can also buy a ticket in advance so that when you arrive, all you need to do is hop on the bus or train. Get your visa in advance, don't forget a valid passport. The visa application process is a long and tedious one. It can take weeks for the embassy to process an application, and often there are delays due to the embassy being closed for public holidays or during busy periods. It's important not to forget any of the required documents when applying for a visa. The most obvious requirement is a passport that is valid for at least 6 months after your planned departure date from the Schengen area. Get the right insurance coverage in place before you go. There are many medical emergencies that can happen when you are abroad. This is why it's important to have the right insurance coverage in place before you go, so that you're prepared for any eventuality.